All right, the stage is set. Let's run the script and see the magic happen. And there it is, look at that. A message sent from your VB.net application delivered instantly to your Telegram app. Welcome. Ever wanted to send alerts, notifications, or even just a simple hello world directly to your users on Telegram from your VB.net application? Well, today is your day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. In just a few minutes, you'll send your first Telegram message from your own VB.net application. It's easier than you think, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Get a Telegram Gateway API account. Head over to our website and navigate to the subscription page. Here, you'll choose the plan that's right for you, enter your email, and hit subscribe. Step 2. The handshake. This next part is crucial. You need to introduce yourself to your new gateway. First, add that gateway number to your phone's contacts. Then, open your personal Telegram app and send a simple hi to your gateway. Just like that, you'll get an instant confirmation message. This handshake authorizes the gateway to talk to you. It's that simple. Step 3. The magic code. Now, for the fun part, let's write some code. We'll be using VB.net in Visual Studio. I'm on the 2022 Community Edition, but any recent version should work just fine. Let's create a new project. Go to File, New Project. Choose VB.net and Console App, then click Next. Give your project a name, click Next. Choose a long-term support.NET framework. Click Create to create the project. Perfect. Now, with our project ready, we need the source code. On our Getting Started page, click on the tutorial for VB.net. This will bring you to a page with the sample source code. Go ahead and copy that entire code block. Back in Visual Studio, paste the source code as your main program. Now we just need to make a few quick customizations to make it yours. You'll see placeholders for your instance ID, client ID, and client secret. You can find the values for all of these in your confirmation email. But the most important part is right here, the recipient number. This is a common point of confusion, so listen closely. You are not sending to the gateway number. You are sending to your own personal Telegram number. Put down the number associated with your Telegram account so that the message comes right back to you for testing. All right, the stage is set. Let's run the script and see the magic happen. And there it is, look at that. A message sent from your VB.net application delivered instantly to your Telegram app. You've seen how simple it is. This isn't just a tutorial. It's the first step toward your automation dream. Imagine the possibilities: alert notifications, daily reports, workflow triggers, all seamlessly integrated. This is the power and simplicity of our API. So, what are you waiting for? This is just the beginning. Don't just watch. Experience it. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a trial account right now. In just a few minutes, you can be sending your own automated messages and see firsthand how you can elevate your projects. Now, go build something amazing.